So, how to activate GCrypto on GCash? Simply go to GCash. Wow, laki ng balance. So, from GCash, sa taas guys, may wallet, save, borrow, and invest. So, click lang po natin yung invest sa taas. Then, GCrypto. Antayin lang natin. Then, dito sa personal detail, click lang po natin yung, select lang po natin yung no. Then, what is your gender? Female ka ba or male? Para sa akin, male. And sa baba, investment experience. Lagyan lang po natin to sa 2150 trader transaction per year. Knowledge level, lagyan lang natin yung good. Then, financial goal, conservative growth na lang siguro. Then, risk appetite, lagyan natin conservative. Liquidity needs, sa baba, bali, lagyan lang po natin na under 6 months. Then, click submit. Then, check lang po natin itong box na to. Then, go to crypto, GCrypto. And, ayan na guys. Bali dito, mayroong top up and withdraw. Kung gusto nyo mag top up, click nyo lang yung top up. And that's it. So, top up lang po kayo kahit magkano. Alin sa mga cryptocurrency na to ang gusto nyo i-trade. Click natin yung see all. Mali from BTC, Ethereum, USD. Marami pa yan sila. And that's it. Good luck trading.